Mission Day 2 of Decimals. I have my sidekick here, Mr. Toby. He's going to be helping us today. So, he has his hat on. I have my glasses. This is your secret mission, part 2. We already know that, well, you already know the secret information about the decimals place. So, we are going to practice that today. We are going to start by looking at our mind reader, and we're taking it up a notch. We don't need to do numbers with just ones, tens, and hundreds, because now you know the truth. You know there's a decimal point. So we are going to be looking at our decimal point and practicing our mind reader with that. So, are you ready, Toby? All right. Your mission is to write this down in your notebook, A, B, C, D, E. There's going to be a Padlet where I want you to post your mind reader. See if you can read Toby's mind. He has a special cap on to keep you from reading his mind. But can you? This is the true spy test. So, our first problem. We need to set up A, B, C, D, E on our side of the paper. If you need to do that, pause the video now. If not, keep watching. For our first mind reader, this is a 4-digit number and it has a decimal point. Write down what you think Toby's thinking. Write down what number you think Toby's thinking of. 4-digit number with a decimal point. All right, now that you have that number, we're going to move on to step B. If you don't, pause the video. Part B, the tens place is 8 times 10 to the first power. The tens place, 8 times 10 to the first power. Write down your new number for part B. All right, let's go to C. The ones place is the largest odd number. The largest odd single-digit number. Are you reading Toby's mind yet? This is the ultimate spy test, if you can read his mind. Write your number, and then move on to D. Part D. The tens place is 3. The tenth place is 3. Toby tried to trick you. He threw in 10th place is 3. Okay. Last guess. E. Number will be revealed. The hundreds place is 2. The hundreds place is 2. Toby, what was the number? What was the number, Toby? Let's see. If we look, I see. I have a 4-digit number. So, 1. Oh, there we go. Our tens place is 8. So I know I'm going to have a ones place, my decimal point, and I know I'm going to have a tens place because it's to the right of a decimal. The ones place is the largest odd number. The largest odd number is 9. The 10th place is 3. So my 3. And the hundreds, not hundredths, hundreds, so it's over here. It's 2 places, values to the left of ones is 2. So Toby's number was 289 and 3/10. Say that. Repeat us. 289 and 3/10. Perfect. Did you read Toby's mind? Post it in the Padlet. Let's see the next one. All right, starting all over. Let's see if you can do this. This is a 4-digit number and has a decimal point, so you know it's going to have a decimal point, which means you need to put a decimal point in your A. So write down a number. Pause if you need more time. We're going to do part B. Part B. The value of the digit in the hundredth Hundredths place is 2. Hundredths place. Toby, that's so tricky of you to have hundredths. So that tells us, if we think of our place value chart, we are using our hundredths. All right, write down your number. Pause if you need more time. Move on with us if you're ready. Part C. The ones are home base. The ones place is 7 times 10 to the 0 power. Our ones place is 7 times 10 to the 0 power. Toby, what do you think? He's licking my fingers, guys. He's not worried that you're going to beat him. Prove him wrong. Let's see. D. The 10th place is 3 times 1 over 10. We did that in our video yesterday, where we looked at our denominator is 10 because we're looking at the 10th place. And it's 3 times 1 over 10. Tricky, Toby. Pause the video if you need to write down your answer. If not, follow us to E to find out what the answer is. The thousandths place is 5. All right, Toby, did you follow them? Let's check what our answer is. Take this time to write E as we go. So I look and I see that's 4 digits, right? The value of the digit in the hundredths is 2. So I know that's after my decimal point. So I'm drawing my decimal point, my place for my ones, because there's always a ones even if it's 0, my tenths, and my hundredths. My hundredths place has a digit value of 2. My ones place is 7 times 10 to 0 power. My ones is 1 place value to the left of the decimal, so it is 7. My tenths place is 3 times 1 over 10. 1/10. 3 times 1/10, which is 3. And then the thousandths. Oh, thousandth is 3 place values to the right of my ones place. So swoop 1, swoop 2, swoop 3. And that value is 5. Toby did 7 and 325 thousandths. Say that. Repeat after me. 7 and 325 thousandths. How'd you do? Did you beat Toby? Prove it. Post your pictures in the Padlet and let Toby know if you read his mind. We have to go. We have another secret mission. After you're done posting to the Padlet, complete the video check and then the Savas Practice Buddy.